Can you just tell about it?
Nothing of an advice, but I just wished him best of luck when he told me when he told the family about his test debut. I've always wished him the best, and adu mattum dhaan na pannuven. And apart from that, I think he knows what to do much better than any of us here. So I think he's done his preparations very well, and that has made him perform so beautifully in this last test match.
As you've been also a cricketer, you've been practicing here, we have seen you there in the nets. And what's the particular thing you have found in this test thing you have been played there in Australia? And can you just tell me a few technical things that he have played well?
Well, I think with respect to Washington, I've seen him, what we saw in the match, that I've seen him throughout so many years of his cricket. So he always goes about the game with a good plan. He makes some sensible shots. So he plays according to the merit of the ball. So those are some technical things that he always focuses on. And irrespective of how hard it gets during the match, irrespective of how hard the situation gets, he always ensures that he's very composed in the way he deals with it, and that is I think helped him in being very successful in the last game.
And then apart from the cricket, how you gonna enjoy him after when he returns, or is there any plan already there?
Well, it's going to be about 6 months now since he's been touring for IPL and for the Indian tournaments. So when he's coming back, we're just going to spend some quality time together before he sets off for his forthcoming series. So I just want him to just relax a bit and let go of all the pressure and all that, and just have his own personal time for some time.
Particularly in the youth pack team, and that too from Tamil Nadu, like Natarajan or Washington or all those who's from Tamil Nadu, you are comfortable with them?
Yes, absolutely happy and very proud of the way Tamil Nadu boys have done in this series, especially with respect to Natarajan. He's had a dream tournament, be it one-dayers, T20s or test. So I think the hard work that he's put in over the years has really helped him, do his best whenever he got a chance. Same with Washington. We did see the same with R. Ashwin in the third test. He did kind of, play a brilliant partnership to, draw the tournament, to draw that test match. And so I think I'm so proud of the boys. They've always been very talented, and given the circumstances, and if you're given some thing to prove, they will prove it, and they will make sure they give their 100%. So I'm so happy with how Natarajan and Washington and R. Ashwin have done throughout the series.
Obviously, you have a plan to enjoy with him when he comes down, and will you also go practice with him and all those boys?
Yeah, I think everybody wants to go home for now and take a bit of rest because they have been traveling and playing a lot of cricket over the past 6 months. So yeah, I just wish everybody best of luck for their future, and I hope they get some really good time with all of their families. In fact, Natarajan has his baby born, and he's yet to meet the baby. So I think everybody is feeling very special to receive the boys back home, and just can't wait to have them here.
And your words for the youth who's been waiting, like there are a lot of aspirants who are going to come and join, and
well, not just for the youth. I think if we see in this test, we saw Siraj, Shardul, everybody coming up and filling the boots of some big players. Somebody like Bumrah did not play; he was not able to play. So there were a lot of senior players who were out of the game because of their injuries. So these youngsters did really come in and fill in their boots, and they exceeded their everybody's expectations, and they went on to help the team win this series, which is a commendable performance. And I just want the youngsters who wants to really come up playing cricket to look into the kind of character that each and everybody in this team has shown. You name it and they've done it. Be it Siraj, he picked some like a crucial 5-wicket haul in the second innings, which really set the game. Again, the partnership between Washington and Shardul was magical. I mean, they did really put in their heart out and perform so well. So everybody and Shubman Gill today played a brilliant game. I really wish he scored a century and he fell short of it. But then everybody did really make it count, and I think this is the kind of future that everybody wants to see, and Indian team really has a very bright future going ahead.